Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this classic red lip look. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. And I was really excited to do this look. You can guys see this here, totally. I have already done my skincare, so I'm just starting with the primer. And I'm dotting it on the areas where I have large pores. This primer actually blurs and smoothens the skin. Here I am using this liquid strobe cream from Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection in the shade Gold and applying on the cheekbones for the extra highlight. It's totally up to you. You can totally skip it if you want it. And now I am using MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, and with the help of this brush, I am blending the product into my skin. You can also use Beauty Blender if you are comfortable with it. Make sure you apply the foundation all over your skin and blend it properly on your face and neck also. And now for my under eyes, I am using this elegant concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. You can see how it hides the darkness and brighten up the area. And I am also using some of it around the mouth and nose to hide any redness or darkness around them. Moving on to setting the makeup, first of all getting rid of any creases created under my eyes and applying some loose powder to set it. And for the rest of my face, I am just dusting it with the brush. And now I am leaving the under eye powder as it is to set, and while it sets, I am gonna do my eye makeup. This way I can prevent the fallout from settling on my skin. For my eye makeup, taking this zinc shade from this palette and applying it on my crease. Now I am taking this dark color Fierce to apply it on the outer corner and slightly taking it into the crease, merging with the previous color. Here I am just following the same procedure on the other eye. Taking this lighter shade Hope and applying it on the lid with my finger. And now taking this nice bronzy shade called Dynamic and applying it on the lighter shade I applied on the lid earlier. Here I am just making sure that everything is nice and blended. And now I am applying the same brown shadow called Fierce on my lower lash line. And now for the brows, taking this Genius Brow Kit by L'Oreal and filling my brows with it. Now that the eyeshadow is done, I am removing all the powder I applied under my eyes. This way you can do baking and prevent your under eyes from fallout at the same time. I'll be using this palette by I Heart Makeup Contour to contour my face and highlight some point of my face. While contouring the forehead, you want to push the product back into the hairline. This way it will look more natural and blended. And for the blush, I am taking this Sweet Cheeks palette by NYX and applying the orange and bronzy shade on the apples of my cheeks. And now I am taking this gel liner from Nykaa and creating a nice thin wing liner. And I wanted a soft liner this time, so for that I took a dark brown shadow and applied it on the liner I drew earlier and blending it for the soft smudgy effect. Here you can see how soft and smudged it looks. And now for the waterline, I am using the Color Bar white liner in the shade Innocent White. Using a white liner in the waterline makes your eyes look more bigger. And for the extra shine, applying the highlighter on the high points of my face like my cheekbones and my bridge of the nose, cupid's bow. And also using it on the inner corners and brow bone. Now for the lip liner, I am taking this Maybelline Color Sensational liner in the shade Very Cherry and carving out my lips with this. And for the lipstick, I am taking L'Oreal Rouge Magique in the shade Scarlet Deja and applying it on my lips. And now popping some lashes for the extra dramatic look. And lastly, fixing all this together with the MAC Fix Plus. That's it for the video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video.